Good morning, class family. It's a thankful Thursday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. December 5th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Next, we will do literacy centers. Then, we will review and retell a text. After that, we will use text features. Last, we will draw and write. It is a great day, love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Okay, readers, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. I notice the month is spelled with a capital letter D, then EC period. What does that abbreviation stand for? Well, say the name of the month out loud. If you said December, you're right. Great job. Notice the capital letter D to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, let's continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. December 5th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Thursday. It is Thursday, and it's a thankful Thursday. Notice the capital letter T that starts that sentence and the period at the end. Remember, good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. As we are rereading, notice how every sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. We have periods at the end of telling sentences and statements, and all the way at the bottom for the "it is a great day," that shows strong feeling. So there's an exclamation point. Let's go ahead before we continue to reread and review the punctuation marks that you'll see within our message and question for today. Okay, are you ready? Okay, get ready. Say it in Skywrite. Period at the end of telling statements and facts and other sentences. Oh, and abbreviations as well, too. Exclamation point, also called an exclamation mark. That's at the end of sentences that have strong feeling or emotion. Question mark at the end of question sentences, just like our question of the day. And comma. You will see a comma used within the message, but a comma is not at the end of a sentence. All right, we're going to go ahead at this time and reread the second sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every single day. Working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. And you know it. We are practicing every day, working on being a strong listener. Remember, a strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening. Their mouth is silent when someone else is speaking, and body is still in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? All right, at this time, we're going to discuss the sequence of what we're doing in language arts. Remember, the sequence is the order of events from beginning to end. Review these transitional words and phrases, readers. First, next, then, after that, last. First, we will learn letters and sounds. We'll use so many resources, including our alphabet chart from Benchmark Advance. We'll review letters, sounds, pictures match that letter, American Sign Language. Shout out to some YouTube channels, Jack Hartman's Mr. Bees, The Singing Walrus, and The Learning Station. We'll be working on F like fox and fan. We'll be doing phonemic awareness, tapping that beginning, middle, and ending sound, saying that whole word. We're going to see lots of words that have F at the beginning or F at the end. Okay, next we will do literacy centers. We will, and remember when a teacher calls your name, to listen the first time and to go to that group to work with the teacher. And some of you will be on Lexia Core 5 reading program on your iPads. We're also going to be reading a decodable book that we'll do in the whole group and as well as in small groups to review. We're going to be looking at a fat pumpkin. When we read this decodable text, remember I have the electronic version on the screen, and then we're going to have a copy in group when you come to meet with me. We're going to be looking at and learning these high frequency words A and is, and the story words in here are and, bus, look, and pumpkin. We're going to go ahead and read this book together, and we're going to use the photographs to help us when we are reading the book, and we're going to use phonemic awareness when we're sounding out the beginning, middle, and ending sound for these words. And you'll see lots of CVC words in this book with short vowel sounds. Okay, then we will review and retell a text. We're going to review and retell a text. We had rules at home and school, so we'll review and retell that. And then after that, we will use text features. Now, we're going to use that when we review and retell the other text, but when we are learning more about text features, we'll be using the big book, What Are Some Rules at School? And we're going to go ahead and review text features and focus on the table of contents for today. Remember, good readers can use a table of contents to find where things are located within the book, whether there's chapters or certain locations where pages have headings where they discuss things. So we have for chapter 1, rules help you learn. Chapter 2, rules keep you safe. Chapter 3, rules teach respect. And chapter 4 is rules help you take care of your school. We have so many different things that good readers can use. And the table of contents is a text feature that can help good readers when they're reading a text, especially like a nonfiction text, although they have a table of contents for chapter books as well. And you can go ahead and use this source to find what's on each page and follow the dotted line across to find what number the page is on for you to turn to. All right, so after that last we will draw and write. We're going to draw and write. We'll use pencil, crayons, and our journals. We're going to go through the 3-step writing strategy. Remember, I think, I draw, I write, and talk. We're going to also look at an example. For example, this one is wait for your turn to speak for the sentence and shows a great detailed picture of how we do that. It's school, okay? All right, it is a great day. Love Miss Joyner. It is. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question for today is a do you like question in our T-chart of yes or no answers. Do you like to dance? Do you like dancing? Think about your answer and get ready to share why and be a great communicator. Do you like dancing?